Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your BigCommerce store detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your BigCommerce store, first, log in to your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the control panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the Advanced Settings option located in the drop-down menu. Select Data Settings from the list of options. Next, choose Manage Store to proceed. Locate the Store Reset section. Before proceeding, review the implications of resetting your store, as this action cannot be undone. If you're ready to reset, click on the Reset Store button. A confirmation dialog will appear. Read the warning message carefully to understand what data will be lost. To confirm the reset, type Reset in the designated field. Click the Confirm button to complete the process. Your BigCommerce store will now begin the reset process. This may take several moments, so be patient. Once complete, you will be redirected to the store setup page. Now, you can start configuring your store from scratch. Make sure to set up your store settings, payment, and shipping options. Re-add your products and any necessary content. Finally, review all settings to ensure everything is configured to your liking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.